Welcome back my dear friends, this is Engineer Arif. I am going to release a new series of SolidWorks video tutorials for my beginners friends. Let's start learning. Today, I'm gonna show you how to design a very simple part using SolidWorks 2018. Oh yes, just do me a little support, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of new releases.
This is the third video of this new series.
This is the part, which we gonna design today using SolidWorks 2018.
At first, I will design the horizontal part, and then the vertical part. Horizontal part is a rectangle. Vertical part is also a rectangle, with a ring. Length is 100 mm, width is 60 mm. It's not a tough design. We only use 2 sketch and 2 extrude command for completing this design.
Let's start. Click on the new part. Go to the apply scene and select plain white.
Go to material, right-click, and select edit material. Then choose your desired material.
Now select top plane. Left click and select sketch.
Now take corner rectangle command and draw a rectangle. Length is 100 mm. Distance is 60 mm.
Press OK. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Height is 20 mm. Use depth 20 mm.
Press OK.
Now we will design this vertical part. Left click on this surface and select sketch. Press Ctrl+8. Now take corner rectangle command and draw a rectangle.
Press OK.
Hold on Ctrl button and select these lines, and choose collinear relations.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Here height is 45 mm minus 20 mm equal to 25 mm.
Press OK. Now take circle command.
Choose midpoint as the center of the circle.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is radius 25 mm multiplied by 2 equal 50 mm. Diameter is 40 mm.
Press OK. Now take Trim Entities command. Select Power Trim. Now trim these lines. Press OK. Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 45 millimeters. Distance is 50 millimeters. Distance is 25 millimeters.
The sketch is fully defined. Press OK. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Reverse direction. Use depth 20 millimeters.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view.
Congratulations! This is the part which we are trying to build.
Now we will use colors. Left click on the face and edit appearance. Select this color. Select faces. Select faces. Left click on the face and edit appearance. Left click on the face and edit appearance. Left click on the face and edit appearance.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view. Left click on the face and edit appearance. Select faces.
Press OK. Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view. Left click on the face and edit appearance.
Press OK.
Make this speed 3x. Select Animation Wizard. Select Y-axis of rotation and click Next. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. Now select Play from Start.
This is the part, which we are trying to build.